Hello, this is Nindy Kerr, and welcome to another video from Nindy's Creative Corner. If you'll notice the score lines on this card, I'm going to show you how to do that using your Simply Scored. It's really easy. Let's get started. First off, I drew a line, I don't know how well you can see it, along the 6-inch mark with a Sharpie. It was probably, I don't remember if it was a fine tip or a regular one. But that's very helpful for when we are doing these diagonal lines. This is a 4-inch by 5 1/4-inch piece of cardstock. Hopefully this makes it so you can see the lines better. You need to decide how many, if you're going to do it every line or every other line or skip 2. I skipped. So there's 1, and then count 1 and 2, and we'll do it on the second one. Then skip 1, and then we'll do it on the second one again. And yes, I do tend to go back and forth. And your Simply Scored does come with a stylus. I just lost it a long time ago. So 1, 2. One, 2. And the Take Your Pick tool does have a large tip and a small tip. So you can choose. I'm using the large tip, I think. Just make sure and stay on the line and don't swerve off, which it becomes easier to swerve off the longer the line is. I will fast forward through the rest of this so you can at least see how it's done, but not have it take forever. I'm flipping my board so it's easier for me to count the lines. I should have flipped it the other way. Okay, there we go. Hopefully you can see all the diagonal lines. I don't know, it's kind of hard. And you can choose to use either the side that pokes in or the side that is raised. So have fun using this technique on your cards, and thanks for watching. Make sure and sign up for my newsletter. The link is in the description, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little bell so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.